In this video, let me show you how to fix the TikTok cannot create account. So if you're having issues creating your account of TikTok, in this video, let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have mistakenly not chosen age, which is under 13. So if you have selected an age which is under 13, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So in this situation, you need to again start over and make sure that while selecting your age, you select an age that is over 13. So once you do this first step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if this is not the case with you, then what you can then try out is try to switch your network. So for example, if you're currently using Wi-Fi, you can try using your cellular data. Now, even if you have tried both of these steps and you're still facing issues with it, what you can try out is try to use a web browser in order to create an account. So if you're currently using the app of TikTok, in this situation, you can open up a web browser on your phone or using your desktop or laptop as well. Head over to tiktok.com and try signing up using the web. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok cannot create account issue. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.